Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Brave web browser on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Now go to Brave official website, that is brave.com. Click on this Get Brave. See here, installing Brave on Linux. See, these are the commands to install. So copy these commands one by one. So copy the first one, open terminal. Now run these commands one by one. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. It is already installed. Now run this command. So copy it. Paste it. Hit enter. It is done. Now run this one. See, both these two lines are a single command. Paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. See, we have successfully updated. Ctrl A. Now install the Brave browser. Sudo apt install brave-browser. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation. Hit enter. It is also going to install this dependency. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, then search for Brave. Click on Brave web browser. If you want to make Brave as the default web browser, you have to click on this one. I don't want, skip. If you want to import the settings from this Google Chrome or Firefox browsers, you have to select. I don't want, so skip. Maybe later. I don't want, so select this. Click on finish. See, we got the Brave web browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Brave web browser on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.